Well, it's Friday morning, the 24th of September, and I am leaving the campground. It's very quiet and very crowded, so I didn't want to do a video while I was there. But it was a nice campground. Today, I'm going about 65 miles to Richmond, and should be a beautiful day. So let's get moving. So I'm on a ferry here that goes over. Morning. Leaving the dock. So we should get there in no time. The Virginia Capitol Trail. So I'm on a ferry here that goes over to Jamestown across the water. It's about a 3-mile ride. I won't be pedaling, and it'll get me there in about 25 minutes. So looking forward to it getting underway. This ferry's moving right along. Seems like we're doing, I would guess, about 11 or 12 knots. So we should get there in no time. Here's the sister ship. I guess the birds can't read the sign. Thank you. Well, this is a nice surprise. East Coast Greenway. Morning. How many miles is this trail?
Go all the way to Richmond.
Good. Go. Very relaxing. Now this is the way bridges should be made for bicycles. Well, after leaving the campground this morning, and I cycled, let's see, maybe it was about 5 miles, I came to a ferry that went from Surry to Jamestown, Williamstown, Jamestown area. As soon as I got there, I got on a bike path. I've been on the thing for like 12 miles. I haven't gotten off. So I said to somebody as I passed them on the path, how long does this bike path go? And they said all the way to Richmond. So if that's true, I'm a very happy camper to have a nice, beautiful rail trail all the way to Richmond, over 50 miles. Looking forward to continuing on this trail. Wow. Morning. Looks like it might be a cycling club out for their morning ride. How are you?
Fabulous. How are you?
I'm great. Mile number 15 on the Virginia Capitol Trail. This trail has varied terrain, going through field after field. So we've done 30 miles. I think I'm finally getting to Richmond. So the trail goes right along the waterfront here in Richmond. Hello. Wow, that's quite a current. So I made it to Richmond and I'm going along the waterfront here and I'm looking at the river, and there are boats that are docked here, and you must have to really know what you're doing to dock and take your boat away from the dock. Check out how fast the current is. That's pretty crazy. Anyway, I'm 35 minutes away from my hotel, so I'm gonna get there in about 45 minutes. It's a very cool trail right in the middle of the city. Well, I think the trail may have come to an end. This is cool. These are very cool bike lanes next to the old cobblestone. Well, good morning. It's Saturday and I'm just about ready to hit the road. I'm staying here in downtown Richmond, Virginia in a Holiday Inn Express in a very nice hotel. Had a great breakfast and I'm ready to hit the road going up to Fredricksburg, and it's in the Washington DC area. So should be an interesting ride. I have a feeling there's a lot of city riding involved, so we'll see how many intersections we go through. Anyway, let's get moving. First thing in the morning, downtown Richmond, I got a nice bike path. They know how to do things right here. Morning. Morning. Nice. It's just delightful getting out of Richmond. I don't mean that in a negative way. It's delightful in that the bicycle infrastructure is just pretty amazing. Here comes a train. Amtrak. Train tracks go right down the center of town. Well, I got out of Richmond okay. I've done 22.5 miles so far, and the countryside is just beautiful here in Virginia, and the bicycle infrastructure can't be beat. So I think I've already said it, but there's a toss-up. Florida, Virginia. I think they're both equally as nice places to ride. The bike infrastructure is a little better in Virginia, so I'm having a great time. And I thought I'd stop here to look at this beautiful river. I don't know if you can see it with the sun shining, but it's quite grand. Anyway, I'm gonna have some water and then I'm gonna get moving. After going down that beautiful hill, it's hike-a-bike time. According to my Garmin, 17%. Well, that was very steep, but it was short. 8 miles from my campground. Loving the downhills. Looks like I'm here. Hello. So today's over. It was about 59 miles and it was 2,300 feet of climbing. So a lot of back roads and beautiful scenery. And so I really enjoyed the ride today. And now I'm staying at a KOA campground in Fredricksburg, Virginia. And I'm not using my tent today. I'm actually in a cabin. So it's a cute little cabin. Well, good Sunday morning to you. I'm all ready to go. I'm leaving my cabin here at the KOA in Fredricksburg, Virginia, and it's 52 degrees out. So it's going to be a little chilly this morning, but no problem. So it's going to be a good day. It's going to be sunshiny. Let's see what happens. Just starting to get light out. Very quiet. No wind. Can hear the roosters. Well, I took a shortcut off the route. Hopefully I don't get poison ivy. Well, I cut off a little over a mile. Road closed. We gotta make a detour. Well, I found a bridge. It's out of my way a little bit, and a superhighway I'm not really crazy about, and lots of glass. But I'll get over the river and be on my way. I heard that piece of glass break under my tire. Let's hope for the best. And let's hope I can get off this highway. And so far, my tire hasn't gone flat. And 45 minutes later, I'm back on the trail. That was a long detour, but I did it, and it's a beautiful morning. Another hike a bike. The camera does not do it justice. It's quite a hill, probably about a 15%. We'll get there. There's the ever-present adventure cycling, route number 1, bicycle sign, US 1, take a left. Well, the day is over, and I did just about 52 miles. And we'll carry on tomorrow, and we'll have a good time. Now, I'm gonna go get some Mexican food.